We are going to have a meditation retreat on 5 January 2025, but I am sure that many of you will have questions about this whole idea of a retreat. We try to answer some of these questions you may have about the retreat. So, what is a meditation retreat?
That's a great question. Let's start with this word retreat. What is a retreat? Retreat means you are going away from your day-to-day activities. Every day we engage in work, we do a lot of work at our home or at school, and we do several other things in our daily life. In a retreat, you are staying away from those activities and you are retreating yourselves into within. So that's the whole concept of a retreat. Then comes the next question of what is a meditation retreat. In a meditation retreat, we dedicate all our time only for meditation. In ZenVidhya's style of meditation retreat, in which we focus on mindfulness, we ask our participants to go within while we are doing daily activities. For example, if you are eating your food, can you be mindful? When you are walking, can you be mindful? So these are some of the things you can learn in a meditation retreat.
Now, what is the difference between a meditation class and a meditation retreat?
That's again a good question. If you have been to a meditation class, the class would last for maybe 40 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. Compare this with a retreat. In a retreat, you are going to meditate for longer hours. It could be 1 or 2 or more sessions. The sessions may be longer and you may be meditating for half a day or 1 day or more days. In this retreat, in which we are going to participate, is going to be just for half a day. This means you get a dedicated amount of time for practicing your meditation. In ZenVidhya style, we are going to be more mindful, which is another way of meditating, and that's something we are going to learn during our retreat.
How should I prepare for a meditation retreat?
I think before coming to a retreat, you need to have a little bit of a preparation. When I say preparation, you don't have to do a lot of things, but a few things to keep in mind. For instance, if you are engaging in so many different activities, you can try to slow them down. Try to be less stressed out on things that you have to do. If you can find time, you can take some time out to sit quietly. You don't even have to do meditation. You can find some time, say 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day, sit quietly all by yourself without watching TV or looking at your cell phone or your laptop. So that's something you can do. That's one way of practicing. If you like to sit on a floor, that's something many of us are not used to. I would recommend sitting on the floor maybe for eating your dinner or lunch, whenever it is possible, right? You don't have to force yourself, so that you get some practice in sitting. And even going for a walk, doing your exercise is going to help you while you are at the retreat, because you are taking time off from your busy schedules to give some time for yourself. So going for a walk or going for a walk in a garden or in a park, that's also going to help you. Even listening to music for half hour or 1 hour, take your mind off from some of these day-to-day worries is going to help. Again, you need to be very careful what kind of music you are going to listen to, right? You don't want to listen to music that is going to make you more stressful. Try to listen to some calm music which will help you. So these are some of the things you can do. Other than that, in ZenVidhya style of meditation retreat, there are not a lot of restrictions. You have to be mentally prepared to be sitting in the retreat for half a day. Again, our retreats are very dynamic. There are a lot of things you'll be doing while you are trying to be mindful. So it's going to be a fun thing. It's not going to be hard. It's not going to be intensive. The whole idea behind our retreats are we want to keep it simple. We want to keep it accessible to everyone.
And now for our final question. Can anyone attend a retreat?
Yes, anyone can attend a retreat. Even if you don't have any prior meditation experience, if you do not know anything about mindfulness, you are welcome to attend. There are no restrictions. In ZenVidhya, we want to keep it open for all, accessible to all, so that everyone can learn and practice mindfulness by attending this retreat. So basically, all are welcome to attend.
Thank you for your time. If you would like to register for our January 5th retreat, please go to our website at www.zenvidhya.org or call us.